Number 1. I am going to Delhi. I will stay there for a week. Compound. I am going to Delhi and I will stay there. Number 2. Make haste. You will be late. Compound. Make haste, otherwise you will be late. Number 3. Hate begets hate. Love begets love. Compound. Hate begets hate, but love begets love. Number 4. Professor Gupta was late. He missed the train. Compound. Professor Gupta was late, so he missed the train. Number 5. He was wrong. He was punished. Compound. He was wrong, so he was punished. Number 6. It was stormy night. He ventured out. Compound. It was a stormy night, yet he ventured out. Number 7. He drew his sword. He rushed upon the enemy. Compound. He drew his sword and rushed upon the enemy. Number 8. Good boys work, bad boys make mischief. Compound. Good boys work, but bad boys make mischief. Number 9. The speaker was very nervous. He therefore could not speak, for he was very nervous. Number 10. He is the son of a mathematician. He is very sharp-minded boy. Compound. He is the son of a mathematician, so he is very sharp-minded boy. He is lazy. He scored good marks. Compound. He is lazy, yet he scored good marks. Number 12. The girl played volleyball. The boys did not play. Compound. The girls played volleyball, but the boys did not play. Number 13. If you lead, I shall follow. Compound. Lead me and I shall follow you. Number 14. On account of illness, I could not go to school. Compound. I was ill, so I could not go to school. Number 15. Come with me, stay at home. Compound. Come with me or stay at home. Number 16. He is innocent. He should be treated as such. Compound. He is innocent, so he should be treated as such. Number 17. Ram is wise. Ram is gentle. Compound. Ram is wise and he is gentle. Number 18. He is intelligent. He is not proud. Compound. He is intelligent, yet he is not proud. Number 19. He grew very weak. He did not break the fast. Compound. He grew very weak, but he did not break the fast. Number 20. I met Mohan. He was a lecturer. Compound. I met Mohan, who was a lecturer. Number 21. The Rajputs were victorious. They were brave. Compound. The Rajputs were brave, so they were victorious. Number 22. I visited Delhi. It is the capital of India. Compound. I visited Delhi, which is the capital of India. Athwa. I visited Delhi and it is the capital of India. 23. He is rich. He is not contented. Compound. He is rich, yet he is not contented. 24. I tried my best. I could not succeed. Compound. I tried my best, yet I could not succeed. 25. Speak the truth, you will be respected by all. Compound. Speak the truth and you will be respected by all. Give me your money back, you will be shot dead. Compound. Give me your money back, otherwise you will be shot dead. 27. God is merciful, he feeds even the helpless. Compound. God is merciful, so he feeds even the helpless. 28. Everything decays, books survive. Compound. Everything decays, but books survive. 29. That animal may be a fish, it may be a serpent, it must be one of them. Compound. That animal may be a fish or a serpent, अथवा either that animal is a fish or a serpent. 30. The brave face the challenge, cowards flee. Compound. The brave face the challenge while cowards flee. 31. Seth Govind Das is rich, he is a miser. Compound. Seth Govind Das is rich, yet he is miser. 32. He saw the boy in the street, he stopped to speak to him, he gave him a book. Compound. He saw the boy in the street, so he stopped to speak to him and gave him a book. 33. Rahim is intelligent, he is careless, his success is doubtful. Compound. Rahim is intelligent, but he is careless, so his success is doubtful. 34. I did not go to Delhi, my brother did not go. Compound. Neither I nor my brother went to Delhi. 35. I invited her to the party, she did not come. Compound. I invited her to the party, but she did not come.